Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box and how to connect the IC-XC0416 Temperature and Humidity Weather Station. This station features a 7-inch colour display with extra large digits and a bright backlit screen, so it's easy to look at local weather data even from across a room. This station measures and displays indoor and outdoor temperature, indoor and outdoor humidity, barometric pressure, dew point, heat index, moon phase, comfort level, weather forecast, as well as a weather trend. Users can also view minimum and maximum records, as well as set up alerts and alarms. The IC-XC0416 Weather Station kit comes supplied with one outdoor temperature and humidity sensor, but can support a total of 8 sensors. These are sold separately. In the box, there's a 7-inch colour display, a power adapter for the indoor console, a complete user guide, the outdoor temperature and humidity sensor, and instrument choice includes the required batteries. Features of the outdoor sensor include a transmission status LED on the front, a keyhole hook for mounting, and within the battery compartment is a channel slide switch, a reset button, and the battery area. Features of the indoor console include the large colour screen on the front, 7 buttons on the top. We'll run through the functions of each of these in the setup video. On the base there are 4 non-slip feet and the backup battery compartment. On the back there's a keyhole hook for mounting, 4 additional settings buttons, a screen brightness sliding switch, a reset key, and the power jack. To get set up, open the battery compartment on the rear of the outdoor sensor, insert 2 AA batteries and replace the battery cover. Plug the indoor console into mains power, and if using them for additional peace of mind, install the backup batteries too. With the LCD switched on, all the measured parameters appear on the screen. The outdoor temperature and humidity information will appear on the screen when the sensor is connected. A couple of minutes later, the sensor and console have automatically connected. On the indoor console, we can see the outdoor humidity, comfort indicator, trend arrow, the outdoor temperature, outdoor sensor number. This aligns with the sensor switch in the back of the outdoor sensor. The forecasting information, barometric pressure, moon phase and weather index information, time, date, humidity with a trend arrow and comfort indicator, and last of all, the indoor temperature with the trend arrow. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-XC0416 Temperature and Humidity Weather Station. For more information on this meter, including a video demonstrating how to set up this unit, or for details on how you can contact an instrument choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!